This video will show you how to create simple cinematic zoom intro in CapCut PC. Click on the text section. Click on a small plus to add text. Write any text you want in the black box. Right below it, you can choose a font. My favorite is Rubik Blood. Click here and choose Export Still Frames. You can change the name or location and press Export. Now click on Import and the image should be added there. If not, you can find it in the file where you saved it. Delete text layer and add background video and that text as picture. I now cut the video by pressing Ctrl+B and pressing delete. Now I hold down Ctrl and roll the mouse wheel to zoom in on the timeline. I click on the beginning of the text and set the keyframe to Scale and Position. On the timeline, set to 3 seconds and change the scale to 500%. Plus, add another keyframe to the position. Go to just before the end of the video and set the scale to 6000%. Move the text so that the white area covers the entire screen. Go to Blend. Set mode to multiply and opacity around 85%, and you are done. Thanks for watching. I hope I helped you. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more tutorials. Have a nice day.